South Africa, if a website wants your money before paying you, it's not a job, it's a trap. I'm giving you 10 legit websites that pay you first. Phone only. No forex, no scams. If you are tired of survey apps, fake trading groups, and WhatsApp schemes, this is for you. I'm Ekow. I test real money systems so you can build assets, not more takeaways and data. Your goal today isn't 5,000 Rand by Friday. Your goal is one small win from one website, even $10, just to prove this online thing actually works. Let's start with website number 1. Before the website list, one rule that saves you from losing money. Real clients pay you. You don't pay them first. If a system wants your money upfront, you are not the worker, you are the product. Second rule, don't try all 10 at once. That's how people get overwhelmed and decide online money doesn't work. Pick one that matches your life and commit for 30 days. I've linked my free income growth calculator below so you can test your own numbers and build your exact plan. If you are watching this at 10 p.m. after a long day, hear me. It's not passion, it's energy. Weeknights are for low brain tasks. Weekends are for deep focus work. Website number 1, Upwork. If you are good with words, emails, CVs, explaining ideas, this is your lane. Listen. Businesses overseas don't care where you live. They care if you solve a problem and deliver clean work. You are not competing on accents. You are competing on outcomes. Your first win might be a small $20 job. That's about 350 Rand to 400 Rand in your account. That's not magic. That's your phone becoming a paycheck. If the first website already gave you an idea to try this weekend, hit like and comment legit website so I know I can go deeper on this in future videos. By the way, I used to be an investment banker, so I'm obsessed with what actually pays. Website number 2, Fiverr. If you hate chasing clients with proposals, Fiverr flips the game. You create the shop, clients come to you. You package one thing you can do. I will fix your CV. I will write 5 captions. I will rewrite your email. Even a $15 to $30 gig on a Saturday is like turning your couch into a mini ATM. Start with a $10 basic gigs, then add upsells. 24-hour delivery plus $5. Add SEO keywords plus $5. You are not selling words, you are selling less stress. Website 3, Contra. It's a low-fee platform, so you keep more of what you earn. Fewer people use it, which can mean less competition for you. And remember the filter. Real clients pay you, you don't pay them first. Website number 4, we work remotely. If you've done admin, customer service, or you are the organized one, this lane is for you. Companies hire remote assistants for emails, calendars, basic spreadsheets, or support. Look for roles that say flexible, async, or part-time so you don't crash your 9 to 5. Website number 5, remote.co. Same lane, same idea. You are basically exporting skills you already use every day into a global payslip. Website number 6, RemoteAfrica and similar platforms that list support roles. If you can type clearly, stay calm, follow process, you are valuable. You don't need to be super techy. You need to be reliable. If your evenings are chaos, choose email support you can batch instead of fixed shifts. Website number 7, Rev. This is transcription, not glamorous, but it can be your proof of concept money. Website number 8, TranscribeMe. Same lane, small task, small wins. But that first 500 Rand changes your belief. Website number 9, Clickworker and Appen. Microtask, data labeling, AI cleanup work. Your goal here is not a salary. Your goal is evidence that your phone can bring money into your life without scams. Website 10, Preply. If you are good at explaining English, math, or even basics, this can pay. You've probably tutored a cousin for free. Now, attach a rate. I know some of you are probably thinking, Ekow, I've tried online stuff before and got 0. Most of the time, the issue isn't the website. It's the skill you are bringing and how your profile shows it. If that's you, watch my 7 online skills that pay you in dollar next. Now, here's what makes this money talks, not just a random list. Side income with no system disappears. So every Rand you make online gets a job. So for each 5,000 Rand you make online, 2,000 Rand to debt, 1,500 Rand to your dollar jar, 1,500 Rand to your property pot. If you want to plug in your own numbers and see how fast this can grow your property pot, download my free income growth calculator in the description. Quick practical match, evening friendly, Rev TranscribeMe, Clickworker, Appen. Weekend heavy, deep focus, Upwork, Fiverr, Contra, Prebly. I'm not promising a new car in 30 days. Your first 30 days are about skills, profiles, small wins. Once you see 1,000 Rand appear from what you control, your whole mind shifts. Tell me in the comments, which lane are you committing to? Works, admin, or phone only? And what blocked you last time? Quick recap. Pick one website. Aim for one small win. Use the real clients pay me filter. Match the work to your energy. Then route your money into debt, dollar jar, property pot. Once your dollar jar hits 10,000 Rand, you are ready for the next level. I've got a full video showing you how to turn that cushion into your first real property step in South Africa. Hit like and subscribe if you want South Africans no hyped money systems. I make money talk so you don't get played. Be a legacy builder.